Hi everyone! Okay, there's just a couple directions I want to go over with you before you start today's assignment. So when you are ready, you will click the ClassKick button. The login screen should come up for you. You need to make sure you type your first and last name and then press continue or go. Okay, here's your assignment for today. You are going to be reading a scientific text, and this text is titled Tsunamis. So you are going to learn all about tsunamis while you read this article today. The directions at the top say read the article and then answer all questions on pages 2 and 3. So, just like yesterday, you can choose to read the article in your own head. That would be fine. But if you would like to, you can press the play button here and listen to me read the article to you while you follow along on the screen. So you choose, just make sure you read the whole text. After you read the text, you can go to page 2 by coming up here to the top and clicking the arrow. Okay, on page 2, there are 4 questions on this first page, and you can see that number 1, again, asks you a question, and then there is a color out to the side where you need to go back to page 1 and highlight your evidence with this color. So you'll read the question and think about it, and then you'll go back to page 1 and choose your red highlighter, just like we did yesterday. Make sure it's colored the correct color that shows. You'll search for your answer, and your answer may not be directly in the text. You may be just finding some evidence that connects to your answer. It may not be exactly word for word written in the passage, and that's okay. Let's just say that this part of this sentence is the answer for number 1. So we'll highlight this, and then we can come back to page 2, and we can switch back over to the pen tool, and we're going to think about which of these really is the correct answer, and it says choose all that apply, so there might be more than one. So let's just say we thought it was C and B for this answer, and we are really confident about that answer. So we're going to go ahead and choose the text tool and add a text tool in this red rectangle and type B, C. And that would be that we're done with number 1 now at this point. Now again, I'm not saying number 1's answers are B and C. In fact, these are not the correct answers, so just make sure that you read really carefully before you choose your answers today. Okay, going on to number 2, you would read this question, and then you'll go back to the text and find some evidence to highlight with your orange highlighter, and then type your answers in these boxes. Then you'll read number 3, you'll go back to the text, highlight your answer with yellow, type your answer in complete sentences in this box here. Number 4, read the question, highlight your answer in the text with green, and then you'll choose your answers and type them in the box here. Go on to page 3. There are 3 questions on page 3. Read this one, highlight with blue in the text, then type in the box. Number 6, you'll use your purple highlighter to find evidence, and then type your answer with complete sentences on number 6. And then number 7, this is a chart, and you'll read it. You'll go back to the text and highlight your answer with brown, and then type the correct answer in this box. So make sure you do all of these things today while you're working on this activity, and you will learn a lot about tsunamis while you read this scientific text today. So let us know if you have questions, and we'd be happy to help you. Good luck!